Students, how are you? I hope you all are doing very well your job, and you must be preparing everything whatever has been given to you. Students, your class teachers must have told you to download the Zoom app, as we are planning to give you the live two-way communication classes twice in a month at least. So whatever we are teaching you through these videos, so if you would have any queries, so you can raise a question and we can answer you on the spot or like that only, because that is the only thing which we can do, or with which we can help to teach you. So everybody, if you did not downloaded the Zoom app, please download it and convey to me of if I talk about 9th A1 to me, and A2 and A1 or A2 and B1 to Kamal sir and Preetam sir accordingly, so that we can continue the things with you in future coming days. Clear? So get ready for that. So students, let's begin today's video. Yesterday we have discussed about the lost child. The child finally has lost according to the title of the chapter. And now when the child is lost, now he must be crying, looking here and there for his parents. Now let's see what has happened with him. Having run to and fro in a rake of running for a while, he stood defeated. Defeated means lost. He has lost something, or he has been defeated by somebody else. And how he has defeated? Because he was in the trend to search his mother and father, which he could not search. He was trying to search, but he did not search, or he could not search. So he found himself defeated. Then his cry suppressed into sobs. Earlier he was crying, and then he started sobbing. Sobbing matlab dheere dheere subakna, rona. Started sobbing. Then at little distances on the green grass, he could see through his filmy eyes men, women talking. Means from afar, wheresoever he could see, he found that people are talking, people are laughing, people are speaking, like that only. He tried to look intently among the patches of bright yellow cloths, but there was no sign of his father and mother among these people. Means among those people, he was just watching them minutely. Maybe among them he can find his mother and father, but it was all in vain. He couldn't find neither his mother nor his father, who seems to laugh and talk just for sake of laughing and talking. Before that also people were laughing and talking when he was with his father, but he was not noticing, or mother, he was not noticing as much. But now because he has lost his parents, now he was thinking a lot, that how the people are talking, laughing and doing don't know what, and I have lost my mother, I'm only crying only. So that's what the big difference now there in the timing of before and now. Afterwards he ran quickly again, this time to a shrine, and then he was again moving forward. This time too he went into a shrine. Shrine means a temple, to which people seemed to be crowdingly moving here and there. Means a huge crowd was there in the temple. Then every little inch of space here was congested with men. Congested means very much packed with men. I mean, a lot of people were there in the temple. But he ran through people's leg. His little sob lingered, and he went inside the leg. He was small in height, small child he was, and the men were very high. So he was just moving in between the legs of them, and there when he reached, he started to sob, mother, father, like that. Near the entrance to the temple, however, the crowd became very thick, and as soon as he reached among that crowd at the entrance of the temple, there he found more crowd, and he was packed in between. It's like that only. Then men jostled each other. Jostle means pushing, like this each other. It's like that. Then each other, heavy men with flashing murderous eyes and hefty shoulders. Heavy men, murderous eyes, as he wanted to kill. If anybody is coming in front of them, or if anybody is just trying to jostle like this, so another man was looking at him just like a murderous eyes, as he wanted to kill him, because he don't let him to enter first in the temple. Means in front of the temple, even in front of the temple also, people are behaving like mad people, as they wanted to kill each other if they were not made to enter the temple first. So in this way they were looking at each other, the fatty man, the fasting man, flushing man, murderous eyes. Like writer has added all these qualities because generally it happens whenever we enter to a temple. Basically when it was a huge crowd and everybody was pushing themselves forward to reach to the place, but due to a huge crowd they could not. It's like that. The poor child struggled to thrust a way between their feet, and the poor child was trying to get in between, to the thrust in between the feet. Then, but knocked to and fro by their brutal movements. But knocked to and fro. Knocked means he just knocked them to and fro. To and fro means आगे पीछे निकलना. By their brutal movements. Brutal means cruel movements. He might have been trampled underfoot. Trampled underfoot मतलब पैरों के नीचे कुचला जाना. Like coming in between the legs of the people, those who are standing over there. Trampled underfoot. Had he not shrieked at the highest pitch of the voice, mother, father. If he did not shriek or cry a lot, mother, father, otherwise he was about to enter inside that shriek. He shrieked with a loud voice, mother, father, and due to this loud voice, what has happened? A man in the surging crowd. Surging means just moving away, keeping others aside and moving forward themselves. Crowd heard his cry, and stooping with great difficulty. Stooping means bending, and very great difficulty he just hold the child and bring the child aside. Otherwise the child was about to get inside the underfoot of the people over there. Means he was about to come on the feet of others, and there only when he crowd he shouted a lot, mother, father. So that shout was heard by a man who was there, and that man tried to take him out from the legs of the others people so that he would not be doubled up or feated up over there, and this way he was saved by bestowed down or by like crushed among the feet of the people, those who are struggling forwarding, and those people are not bothering who was coming on their feet or whatsoever. Everybody is just ready to enter inside the temple anyhow. So this was happening. Clear? I hope you're getting. Afterwards, students, how did you get here, child? Now the men was asking, have you gone mad? All alone you are. Where are your parents? Or how did you enter here? How did you get here? Whose baby are you? You're of whose baby? Like who are your parents? Whose baby you are? Then whose baby are you? The men asked, and he steered clear of the mass. Clear of the mass, he took him from the rest of the crowd aside, and then he asked the child, who are your parents? Why are you here? What are you doing in such a crowd? So very soothingly the man asked the child, and then the child wept more bitterly, very badly. As soon as the man asked that where are others or with whom you are, so he reminded again his parents, and then he cried again very bitterly, and that then ever now and only cried, I want my mother, I want my father. And the only thing which he could tell to the men is that I want my mother and I want my father as soon as possible, whatever is there. Means he is not happy with the situation at present. And supposing as it happened ना, जैसे कोई छोटा बच्चा होता है, उसको अगर चोट लग जाती है तो अगर आप रिएक्शन करो तुरंत तो वो और रोता है. अगर आप अवॉइड करो, अरे हो गया, इट्स ओके, हो जाता है, तो फिर कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. द सेम लाइक आई हैव माई नीस, हार्डली शी इज़ अबाउट टू बी ऑफ 2 years old. अगर वो गलती से कहीं गिर जाती है या उसे चोट भी लग जाती है तो हम उसका माइंड डाइवर्ट करने के लिए कुछ और करते हैं. अगर हम ऐसे कहें हो चोट लगे एंड ऑल दैट, तो बच्चा और रोता है. उसी तरह से ये जो बच्चा है जिसके मम्मी पापा ऑलरेडी खो चुके हैं, और जब उस आदमी ने उससे पूछा कि आप किसके साथ हैं, तो उसे तुरंत याद आ गया और वो और जोर जोर से रोने लगा कि मुझे मेरी मम्मा चाहिए, मुझे मेरे पापा चाहिए. इट्स लाइक दैट. क्लियर? द मैन ट्राइड टू सूथ हिम, और that man tried to console him, soothe him, make him quiet by taking him to the roundabout, the same roundabout from where he lost his parents. Will you have a ride on the horse? He said, will you go and have a ride on a horse? He gently asked as he approached the ring. He gently asked as he approached the ring. Roundabout ring. He just made him forward and told him, would you like to have a ride on that? Then the child's throat tore into 1,000 shrill sobs. Tore means broken. Shrill means very, very harsh. Sobs means crying. Sobbing like this. like this way, the shopping over there. And he only shouted, I want my mother, I want my father. That much is only which he was thinking. He want his mother, he want his father. He don't want to go anywhere. He don't want to do anything except that. He just want his mother and father only. This he wanted only. And that made the man understand me the same, all those things which he wanted to have. And this roundabout he wanted to have before, and very strongly and very boldly he told to the parents and the time. But now the parents has lost, so he just want only his parent, not anything else in his life. So hope so that you understand this. I hope so. That's all for today. We shall continue tomorrow. Stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.